Pull your top up. Check your evaporator coil. Make sure the evaporator coil is clean. Right up above, you'll see if the filter's clean. Open that louver up. Look up in there and check that blower wheel. Make sure that blower wheel is clean. If that blower wheel is not clean, that needs to be cleaned. Very first thing you want to do, make sure the power's off. Is I'll take this cover off first. Let me get your display unhooked. Then this will actually pop loose for you. Before I put any of these back on, I'd clean them real good. And that whole jacket comes off. The other thing you want to do, because you're going to want these off if you're doing a deep clean anyway, it's going to make it that much easier. Kind of shine the light through there. So what we're looking for here is looking at that blower wheel. This one's just got a light film of dust on each wheel. I would start by washing the evaporator down first, clean the blower wheel last. Everything should run down the drain or into your 5-gallon bucket. All right, so as you've seen in the video there, me cleaning that entire evaporator coil assembly and cleaning the blower wheel. But as you can see, really no damage done. I don't recommend using any chemicals or anything like that. It's just dirt. It should come loose just with that pressure washer. That blower wasn't super dirty, but you could see the dust film all the way across that blower wheel. Now it looks like brand new. We're gonna move outside. I'm gonna take you through the maintenance checks that I'd be doing on the outdoor unit. Well, the first thing I'm going to tell you is take the unit apart. Just take all the panels off. Let's get a good look at this machine. So I pull the cover off this board and just inspect the back of it. But what I'm looking for there is any burn spots that might be in the board. Are we getting any critters in there? Anything like that. The other thing I would be doing is just an inspection to the components in here. Do I see any loose connections or anything? You could actually pull the backside panel off. Just look and see how clean or dirty that coil is. But regardless, I would wash it. The great thing about these units is they are side discharge. All your dirt's going to be on the back side of this coil because the fan is pulling the air through that coil. So it should be pretty easily to wash. You really shouldn't have any debris or anything. If you do see any of that debris in there, I would take the front panel off and get that out of there.